Okay. So guys, if you want to deploy EVNG into the Google Cloud, so the thing first you have to create a free tier account into the Google actually. So how you can create it? Let me tell you. Just go to into the browser and just type here GCP. Just go to into this Google Cloud Platform. Just sign up for free. Just click on this one, sign up for free. Get started for free. So what you have to choose your email ID. Just make sure it if you are using the Gmail, it will be great. Use your Gmail ID. Select your country from where you belong. And when you will install this particular, when you create this free account, guys, you will get 300 USD as a free credit, which you can use till 90 days. Like put Google Cloud to work with 300 credit to spend over the next 90 days. Okay. So, and also if when you will create this free tier account, what you have to put your credit card or maybe debit card details, guys. Okay. For sure, it can accept the credit card. I think it will also support few debit card as well, like Visa and Master. It will not support this RuPay and these particular basic card. You have to put your number, continue. And after what you have to put basically your credit card details. Card details, it will support Visa and Mastercards. Just put these details. Okay. And after I just start, click on this, start my free trial. When you will get put this your credit card details, and also what it will do, it will ask few details actually. Maybe it will detect, I think, 1 or 2 rupees from your credit card, and also you will get the refund for that. They just verify you are the authentic person or not. Okay. So by doing this, you will, when you click on this one, it will basically create your Google account. Okay. Okay. It will create your Google account, and after what you have to do, you have to log in into your account. So what I have already created this account, so I will not create one more. I'll just go there and I'll just type here GCP console. I'll click on this Google Cloud Platform. I'll select my email ID because I have created this account with that email ID, and I'll got the access of this particular Google Cloud, guys. So the thing is, when you will log in into this Google Cloud, what you have to do, you have to basically create one project. I'm having these projects. So what you can just select on new project, give the name like Eve Lab. Give this name. If you want to select organization selected, just click on create. Actually, it is just creating your project. Your project has been created. After just go to into this, press on this one, and you will get one option which is, and when you create your account, just go to into billings. Actually, you will get the things there. Let me just show you something in billings. Actually, you will see like from which project how many bill is basically you have got, and all these kind of details you will see. Okay. And you will also able to see your free credit somewhere if you will check. Okay, I'll tell you where you can see. So just go, you have to go to into this compute engine. Actually, this is equals to EC2 in AWS. Go to into this compute engine and click on VM instance. Actually, and after that, what you have to select your project. So I have created this project, right? Eve Lab. So I can select this one. But I will use this EVNG setup testing because I want to put my image into this instance. But you can select this one. Click on continue. And after that, just you will get this kind of window here, guys. Okay, what you have to do, you have to click on create instance. If I'll go there, what I have, you have to create a Google Cloud account. Now we have to create the instance actually on Google Cloud. Means now we are creating one server into the Google Cloud, and we will use that server for, on top of that server we run the EVNG image. Okay, just you have to give the instance name. So give the name here Eve ng, give this name, leave this level default. Here you have to select the region. So let's suppose as we are in India, so you can select like Mumbai region. You will get all these regions here, like in Asia Pacific we have a Mumbai region, right? But I'll just go with this default options. In Las Vegas I am selecting this, and this is the zone, because when I will use this default setting, so it will basically give me a server from the region where they are having some more free servers. Okay, select that option. In general purpose, here you can just select it general purpose, and series is select here N2 series. And the thing is, just go down and select here one, basically N2 base. Or what I can do, let me go down, I will select 4 CPU and 32 GB memory. I will select this particular instance size. Okay, after that, what here it will ask for you to select the image actually. By default you will get this image. So what you have to do, you have to click on this particular activate cloud cell. Just click over there, and also let me show you Eve ng deployment in GCP. I'll go to into this particular document. This is an authorized document from Eve ng. And see, if you are using professional Eve ng account, you have to select this book. But I'm using the free edition, so I will select this option. I'll just try to download this book actually. Let me just download this book. And I'll just open it. Okay, just go to into here. If you see here, they have start showing the installation in VMware in EXI, right? You can refer this book if you want, guys, for installation. So just look for the GCP. See, Google Cloud option is starting from page number 43, right? So just go to into page number 43, right? And what you have to do, you have to create a new project. All the steps are there. Give the name that your project, and after go to into the compute engine instance, select your project. Okay, and after that just click on this particular cloud cell. So you will get this kind of prompt, and in your cloud cell you have to type this particular command, guys. Why we are typing this command? Because create a nested Ubuntu image model. Means now this bit, due to why when we run this command, it will create one Ubuntu instance on which nest, basically it will enable the nested virtualization. Means what is the meaning? Let me tell you the exact meaning. Right now, like I'm having my PC, right? On top of this PC, I have run VMware, right? On this VMware, I have run, let's say I will run one window image. So I have run window 10. Let's say on this window 10, what I have done. Let's say I will run one more VMware. On this VMware, maybe I will run one image. It means I have just using the nested virtualization. Means I'm having a GCP server, right? This is GCP server. On GCP server, what I will run one. This is a virtualized server, right? On this server, I am running some kind of virtualization platform, right? On this virtualization platform, I am running one Linux machine, which is one Ubuntu Linux machine, right? On this Ubuntu Linux machine, I will run EVNG. So the thing is, it's a nested virtualization, means we have a virtualization on top of we are again doing the virtualization. Okay. So you have to run this command actually in your cloud shell. So let me just see. We got the cloud shell. Okay. So what you have to do, go to into this notepad file and I have write this command here. So copy the entire command. Go to into basically here and just type this command. Paste, click on enter. Click on authorize. See, you are getting one error actually. The resource project testing image is already exist. Why I'm getting this already exist? Because I have done the EVNG installation previously as well. That's why I'm getting this error message. If in your case, you will not get any kind of error message if you will run this command properly. And what message you will get? You will get this kind of message. If I'll increase the font size here, see, when you run this command, you will get status is ready. That kind of message you will get after some time. Okay, because I'm having already this image, so that's why my it is not allowing me to download one more image actually, because I have done this thing already into my project. Okay, so in your case you have to wait, and after that what you have to do, you click on change and just go to into custom images and select your project. Actually I am having this evng setting project, right? Setup, and you will get, if I'll go to into image, see, I will select this particular image here. If I'll change my project, let's suppose I will use this project, that time I will not get any images here. I'll can able to only see these details, because I have just done this. I have just uploaded or making by using that command, which is this command. I have just downloaded this image into that project, which is evng setup, and I want to install this instance into the same project. Select this particular nested Ubuntu in basically boot disk size. Just select here SSD percent disk and give around a size of 100 GB. Click on select, allow default access. Click on these options, allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Click on create, and now it will basically create the instance actually. By running this command, what it will do, it will create one instance, means it will create one Ubuntu server actually in GCP. It will create, see, you will get that of that sign, which means that server has been created actually. Just go inside this server, so click on this place. Right now, see, your server is up and running. Just click on SHS and just select open in browser window. It will just give you this connecting, so you have to wait for some time. It will basically connect with that particular server here. See, you can refer this document. See, your VM has been created. Create the VM, right? Just refer everything. Select the region, select this N1 standard. They are using this N1 standards with 16 CPU and 60 GB memory. I'm using here N2 because I want an N2 with 4 CPU and 32 GB RAM. Just go with that one and just click on change settings here. Select your custom images. This nested, I want to select here size. I have given 100, so you can give 100. Allow this one, I will allow this. Just allow both here. Click on create and you will able to create. Now you have to connect with SHS. You will, if you refer, you will get everything. Let me just see. See, I have got connected actually. Now what you have to do, you have to run one command which is sudo hyphen I. Means now I'll get the root access actually. After that, when you got the root access, so I have written, see, you have to run this command now. You have to run this command actually. The meaning of this command, what it will do, it will just go to into the evng website and it will just download the evng setup from there actually. Wget command we will use for downloading something from the some websites. So you have to run this command. So how you can run, just go into there, just type this particular entire command. You have to type this command actually. Wget hyphen o hyphen then http / www dot eve-ng.net /repo /install -eve .sh /ves-i. Enter. And it will basically start downloading this evng software, that particular community edition it will download actually. And if you will refer this particular document, let me just go there. See, you have to run this command. After you have to run this command, it will download the community edition, or it will start the installation of your, so it will download one script. It's just a script, and that is .sh means it's a bash script or a shell script. It will basically do everything. It will just download the image from there. It will just start this. It will just configure this image, right? Everything it will do. So we have to basically wait here for some time. It takes some time, hardly 4 to 5 minutes, guys. So we have to wait for this to complete. Just wait here. So it's just doing that thing. So it's starting these services, and also we will wait here for some time. So here we have to wait actually. So sometime what, let me just pause the recording, guys, for meantime. So now, guys, the installation of evng has been completed, and if you will get this particular prompt, which means we have done the thing successfully till here. And after what you have to do, you have to run one command which is apt update, means we need to update the repository. So I will run this command apt update. It will update the repository, and after that I will run this command apt upgrade. So it will just check for the, if there is any upgrade available, right? So it will check for that. It will also take around 2 minutes or 1 minute based on the upgrade available. So we can see the things here. So if I'll go into that particular book, apt update and upgrade, confirm Y, and after we have to just reboot it. We have to run the command reboot. We have to reboot it. So we will see. If you know all the steps, it's very easy for you to install evng actually. So you will get this option. So just keep the local version currently installed. We have to just click on enter here, guys. Don't change anything. And after what you have to do, you have to run this command reboot. Means we will reboot it. Connect with identity aware proxy. Means now your Ubuntu machine is in a boot stage. So see, it is just now booting up. Come back. And we will also track the things here. It will just try to establish the connection. When this machine come up, it will automatically gets connected. Now see, you have got that option. So the thing is here, it is asking, let me just write here, type the root password, guys. So the thing is for EVNG password is EVE, right? So we will type that password, guys, here. Just type here password is EVE, press into tab. Okay, means we have to hit enter. Again, repeat the root password, which is EVE. I will press the tab. My cursor go into OK. I will press into enter. Fail to change the password. Let me click on OK. Let me just see if I'm missing any steps. Okay, this one. Now follow the setup wizard, right? So we have to click on Control C, guys. Okay, so let me just go there. We don't need to go to into the IP and all. We have to click on Control C. Sorry for that. So what I can do, I will press the here Control C. And let me see what's the next step according to that book. Then we have to run this command sudo -i, sudo -i, and we have to repeat this particular process again. Type the root password. So I will type password which is EVE, tab, OK, EVE, tab, OK. Now we have to give the name here. So I will give EVENG lab. Press on tab, click on OK, enter example.com, OK. Here see, it is asking static IP or DHCP IP. So guys, what I will recommend, just go with the DHCP IP address in Google Cloud, because if you will give here a static IP address, because your IP address is not fixed in GCP, right? So that's why just go with DHCP IP and click on OK. It is now type the NTP server. So I will just leave default, click on OK. Direct connection, click on enter, and now just click on reconnect. Means we have successfully done the installation of our EVNG, guys. If I'll go into this one, we will set the IP via DHCP. If you want to run this command, you can go for it. I will not recommend. Just now we will connect by using the public IP address. What you can do, just close this one, go into this one, and you will get this IP, external IP, right? Copy this public IP, type here that IP address. You will be able to access your EVNG. What you have to do, just log in with username as admin, password is EVE, and guys, here we will select HTML5 console, because we don't have any way to install this particular EVNG client. Okay, so we'll select this HTML5 console, click on sign in. If you are able to access it, which means we have done the successful configuration. I will just create one lab with the name of Palo Alto folder, create one folder. Inside that folder, I'll just click on this button and I'll just try to like lab 01. Click on OK. Now you will be able to access your EVNG here. If you go to into notes, you will see you will not having any notes, only you will get this particular virtual PC, this one. Let me start this virtual PC. And if you will open it, so the thing is, it will open this thing into your this particular place. Actually, in this browser only you will get these things. Now Now we will see how we can basically connect our bin SCP with this instance, and we will push our images, guys. So what I can do is open my bin SCP in my system. I'll just copy this IP address, and what I will do, I'll just put that IP, the public IP address. Username, I will put here root. Password is EVE. I just try to connect. Update. Guys, don't tell your password and to anyone. If you will put that IP in your browser, also you will able to access it. Okay. If anyone wants to try, just try this one. Don't start any notes and all over there, guys. Okay. Now what you have to do in this particular desktop, you have to go to into where you have all your images. Into root, you just select on go to into slash. Just go to into OPT. Same way like we have done for in VMware. Go to into Unit Lab, then go to into add-ons, QEMU, and what I will just put this image here. We ISL2. It will take some time because right now what from my system I am uploading that these images into the Google Cloud, guys. So they will take some time because that is happening through the internet. Okay. So we have to wait for this image to install. Like that, you can install ASA, Palo Alto, and all, and after that, you can create your labs over there. Okay. So let's wait for this image to upload over there. It's uploading. So VISL2 is about to upload. Now what I will select ASA and let drop here. And what I will do, I'll go into this one. If I'll try to add a note, I will give my VISL2 switch here. I can add this switch image. I can connect both of them. I can start these guys. So I will start the switch and this one. I'll just try to open this switch. So it will open into this particular place. Also open this BCP client. See, now switch is booting up and all right. You will see now you will write whatever whenever we will install this EVNG into this VMware, right? We will open them into putty, but here we are opening into this browser only. That's why we have selected here HTML console, not native console, guys. Okay. That's the difference between HTML console and native console. So in GCP, we have to select this option. Otherwise, you will face some problem while connecting with these devices. See, bin SCP is come up, right? You can configure IP address like IP addresses 10.1.1.10. Then 255.255.255.0. Set IP hyphen address. I'm not 192. Let me just use this 10.1.1.10. 255.255.255.0. Not sure why it is not taking, but that's the I forget this command to set up this B because I don't use this BCP and all. Okay. Now this particular switch is about to come. Now you can configure anything on this switch, right? configure host name like switch hyphen 01, configure anything, right? And let's see, AS is also there. Now let me upload Palo Alto as well. Palo Alto will it will take really some time. Okay, so if I'll go there, if I'll try to add my ASA, I can also add ASA here. I can start my ASA, can open them into the console, and here you will see the ASA booting process. So this is how, guys, we will install our EVNG into the Google Cloud, and this is how we will upload all the images. So what you can do now, whatever images I'm having into my this folder, you can upload all of them, and you can create a lab into your GCP, guys, into the GCP cloud. See, Palo Alto will really take some time.